Hello grade 7. In this video we'll discuss the volume of the sphere. So what is the sphere? A sphere is a 3D shape like the ball. It only has one description dimension, which is the radius. The radius. And the radius, it is the distance between the center of the sphere to any point on the sphere. It is the radius. Okay? So the volume of the sphere will be calculated from the relation 4/3 times pi times r cubed. Okay, let's move to examples. Find the volume of the sphere. 3 is from the center to the sphere, so this is the radius. So the volume will be 4 divided 3 pi times r cubed. 4/3 by r is 3 times 3 times 3 because we have cube. Then if you have 5/5, it will be 1. 5 cancel 5. So you can cancel the numbers that are above each other. You can cancel 3 with 3. Then when you have 4 pi times 9, 4 times 9 is 36. 36 by inch cube. That is the volume of the sphere. Another one. You can pause the video, solve yourself, replay, and check your answer. Okay? Find the volume of the sphere. The volume equal 4/3 by r cube. It will be equal 4/3 times pi times r is equal 6. 6 times 6 times 6. If you have 6 divided 3, it will be 2. Then 6 with 3, 6 cancels 3 and the remaining is 2. 6 times 6 is 36. 36 times 2 is 72. 36 times 2. 2 times 6, 12. 12 and carry on 1. 2 times 3 is 6 and 1 is 7. So you have 4 times pi times 72. 2 times 4 is 8. 7 times 4 is 28. So we have 228 by inch cube. Okay? Another one. We have 1 inch. That's a radius. The volume will be 4/3 by r cube will be equal 4/3 by 1 cube equal 1. 1 power 4 equal 1. 1 power 100 equal 1. So we have 1. 1 in multiplication doesn't change anything. So we have the final answer will be 4/3 by inch cube. Okay? Now, what if I give you the diameter? What is the diameter? Again, well, like we have learned in the lesson of the cylinder, the diameter is the distance from the beginning of the circle till the end of the circle and passes through the center of the circle. In this case, it is the distance between 2 points on the circle passing through the center. If you look closely, this diameter is equal r and r. Diameter equal to r. So, by using simple equation skills, if you want to solve for r, send 2 to the other side by opposite operation. The operation between 2 and 4 is multiplication, so send it by division. So r equal diameter over 2. Once you get the radius, congratulations, calculate the volume 4/3 by r cube. Okay, let's see an example. Find the volume of the sphere. 6 here is a radius or a diameter? 6 here is from the beginning to the end, so it is a diameter. Diameter equals 6. The radius will be 6 divided 2 will be 3 centimeter. So the volume will be 4/3 by r cube will be 4/3 times pi. R is 3, not 6. Times 3, times 3, times 3. 3 cancel 3. Then we have 9. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 4 is 36 by centimeter cube. Okay, another one. Find the volume of the sphere. You can, if you well understood the idea, you can pause the video, solve yourself, replay, and check your answer. Okay, find the volume of sphere. I'm assuming now you are checking your answer. 4. It is radius or diameter? If you look closely, it is from the beginning till the end, so it is a diameter. So the radius will be diameter divided 2 will be the diameter. 4 divided 2 will be 2. The volume will be 4 over 3 by r cube. It will be 4 over 3 by times 2 times 2 times 2, 2 cube. Look at this very fatal mistake. 4 times 2 equal 8. We cannot cancel 2 with 4 and make 2. This is very wrong. Okay? So 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 divided 3 by centimeter cube. Look at this question. Find the volume of the sphere. 4 here is a radius or a diameter? It's very simple. This is from the center to the edge of the circle. So this is a radius. So the volume will be 4 over 3 by r cube. It will be 4 over 3 times pi times 4 times 4 times 4. Forgot Jana. Don't cancel 4 with 4. 4 times 4 equals 16, not 1. So we have 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. 6 times 4 is 24. 20 we have 4 and carry on 1. 4 times 1 is 4 and 2 we have 6. So 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. 46 times 4. 4 times 4 is 6. 16. 6 and carry on 1. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 and 1, 25. So we have 256 divided 3 by centimeter cube. Okay? The last two examples. Six here is a diameter. Radius is 6 divided 3 divided 2. It will be 3. 6 divided 2. Volume 4 over 3 by r cube. 4 divided over 3. 4 times 3 times 3 times 3. Cancel 3 with 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 4 is 36 by centimeter cube. The next one, calculate it and check. Now 6 is a radius, not a diameter. So the radius is ready. So volume will be 4 over 3 by r cube will be 4 over 3 times pi times 6 times 6 times 6. 6 divided 3. 2 divided 3 is 3. Divided 3 is 2. 6 times 6 is 36. 36 divided times 2. 36 times 2 is 6 times 2 is 12. 12 and carry on 1. 2 times 3 is 7. Carry and 1 is 7. 2 times 3 is 6 and 1 is 7. 72. 4 times pi times 72. 2 times 4 is 8. 7 times 4 is 28. by centimeter cube. And that's all for calculating the volume of the cylinder, of the sphere. I'll give you this document in the description. You can download it and revise it anytime you want to do it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.